Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to eat Ganoderma mushroom step by step. Start by inspecting your Ganoderma for firmness and a glossy cap, then slice or grind it as needed. Use thin slices for decoctions or fine powder for smoothies and capsules. Measure portions carefully, begin with small amounts to assess tolerance, and gradually increase to your desired serving while noting any digestive or taste reactions. In this video, I will explain how to eat Ganoderma mushroom step by step. Place cleaned slices in a pot, cover with water, and simmer slowly to release active compounds and soften tough fibers. Keep the heat low and cover partially to reduce evaporation while you steep for at least half an hour. After simmering, strain the liquid, let it cool, and store in the fridge for easy daily servings or to mix into broths and teas. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more useful tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with mindful health choices. Think of it as financial wellness for your pantry and your peace of mind. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to eat Ganoderma mushroom step by step. When using powder, blend it into warm beverages or smoothies to mask bitterness and improve absorption, or spoon into yogurt. Tinctures offer a concentrated option. Use a few drops under the tongue or in drinks for convenience. Always begin with a small dose to monitor effects, and consult with a healthcare provider if you have medications or health conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.